Today we're going down to Project Perry, otherwise known as the Central Virginia Parrot Sanctuary. We're going to go see Matt Smith, who runs the sanctuary and takes care of hundreds of captive parrots in need. I've been in love with birds for a long time, probably for, 20 years. So I'm really thrilled to see Project Perry because of, what he's doing is so outstanding for captive parrots. Hi, we're here. Can we come in? Thanks. It's good to see you. Thanks for having us. Hi.
Hi, kids. Yeah, it's noisy, huh? Come over, Paco. Thanks, that's a good boy.
You see he's got like birds together, birds of similar species, and that's good because they're flock animals and they like to be with each other. They're very social. It's so amazing to see it. I've only seen a little bit of it so far, but I'm already in love and could spend like weeks here.
Beautiful.
I'm just really feel grateful to be here and see these birds getting good care.
Currently we have 2 of these large free flight year-round aviaries. We have one for the small bird aviary, and then we also have a really big one for the African greys. Both of those have been up for about 4 or 5 years now. A great deal of these birds have come from cruelty cases and retired breeder birds. One of our philosophies here are to create environments where they can live as natural as possible. That includes natural ground. Another thing is flight. Of course, flight is huge for these birds. It's so important. They have wings for a reason. They're meant to fly.
I'd always imagine what it would be like to be here because I knew about Matt and his great work. But to just be able to spend time with the birds and know that they're living a good life is so gratifying. And it's inspiring because I know now that this can be a model for other sanctuaries and even other owners of birds.